Start by planning cuts during a thorough dry fitting so you only remove what is absolutely necessary. Measure each tile twice and mark cuts on the face that will be visible, then cut the face side for a cleaner edge when using a score and snap cutter. When using a wet tile saw, run the tile face down so the blade leaves the smoothest finish on the exposed edge. Lay out the field tiles before any permanent adhesive to identify repeating cut sizes and rotate tile orientation to make long straight offcuts from multiple tiles that can be reused in narrow strips or transition pieces. Use spacers and a simple mock grid to simulate grout lines so your cut lengths account for grout width without surprises. And always keep a running list of measured cut sizes so you can batch identical cuts to reduce kerf loss from the blade. When planning corners or returns, test fit full and partial tiles and consider using cut shapes that let offcuts fill toe kicks or outside corners rather than throwing them away. Maintain your blade and replace it when cutting becomes ragged because a sharp blade reduces chipping and lets you cut closer to your marks, and when possible use a thinner kerf blade to minimize material loss to the cut. Finally, store and label usable offcuts by size and color in a simple divided box, so you can grab the right piece during finishing without remeasuring. Common mistakes are rushing initial layout, which forces one-off awkward cuts and wastes whole tiles. Avoid this by dry fitting the whole area and noting repeat sizes before cutting. Another issue is poor measurement technique, where a single measurement error propagates across a row. Measure twice, mark with a pencil at the exact grout line reference, and use a square to transfer marks across the tile. The third problem is discarding offcuts instead of thinking laterally about their use. Keep an organized offcut inventory and plan for narrow borders, threshold fillers, or mosaic insets that let you use those pieces. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like ceramic tile installations so we can find local professionals and share real-world tips. We host an active discussion community where our members trade layout strategies, tool recommendations, and offcut reuse ideas to save time and money.